Interface 1101 compression only ultra, 1201 compression only standard precision, and 3201 precision stainless steel low profile compression only series load cells must be mounted on a surface that is flat and rigid enough so as not to deform appreciably under load. An easy way to obtain the flat rigid surface is by using an interface supplied base or mounting plate. Where this is not practical, a rigid surface equivalent to the appropriate interface base or mounting plate will suffice. Interface load cells respond to forces in the axis perpendicular to the mounting surface. Load cell response to a non-axial force is proportional to that force times the cosine of the angle it makes with the loading axis. Once the load cell is mounted to the mounting structure, it can be secured by tightening the load cell with a spanner wrench using one of the 4 holes on the side of the load cell's base. The load-bearing plate surface should be a flat, hardened steel RC45 or higher when mating with a load button or steel load cells. For aluminum compression-only load cells, a mild steel load-bearing plate may be used. Now the compression load can properly be applied to the load cell. To eliminate potential reading errors, the outer rim or base of the load cell and its connecting electrical cable should be mounted on the fixed or non-moving structure.